I definitely applaud you for stuff like this. 'Cause, I mean, one thing I can tell you is that ever since I've been, involved with women and their reproductive health, like I've always, no, but I've always,
What was that great experience?
I've heard each and every one of those illnesses that you just spoke about. I've heard people talk about them. I've heard people and their experiences with them, and I've always wondered how come this is the first time I'm hearing it. Like I don't hear it publicly spoken about.
Exactly.
I don't hear these things addressed.
And that is what I'm having a concern with, because it is something that needs to be addressed, because you just solidified it. A lot of women are in fact living with these illnesses, and I'm not just talking about a little belly cramp and a little she's miserable this month because it's her time of month. I'm talking about hemorrhaging. I'm talking about inability to function.
Yeah, some people don't have a time of month for a year.
Exactly.
And then when they have it for a year.
Exactly.
Yeah,
and some of us are just unable to differentiate between having a difficult period and having something that is an illness that we need to deal with, and that comes with the information and the education, which brings me to my book.
Okay, I was going to ask you.